This is a very short and stripped back video for this week. My boys have been sick and now I've got raging hay fever, and the thought of sitting down to edit is just not going to happen at the moment. But I really wanted to put up a video this week because this week I hit my first YouTube milestone and I have passed the 100 subscribers mark. Yay, I'm very excited. So thank you to all of you who subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and you'll get notified of when I upload. I've got a lot of really cool content coming up that I'm really proud of. And if you have any suggestions or requests for videos to do with the dance world, chuck it in the comments. But I also just wanted to make a mention of how much benefit I've been getting from doing YouTube videos, and I think it's a really great thing for entertainers and dancers to do. You don't have to have special equipment or special skills to do it. Go and check out my nephew's channel. He's not a dancer, although he should be. He should do hip-hop. He's really good at it. But he's xoxo9. He was hacked, so his thing was changed, but it was all good. There's no danger or anything. But he has a really great kids channel. He's only about, I'm going to get his age wrong again. But he's got a really good example of how laid back or stripped back your channel can be, and it's a really great way for you to communicate with people. If you've got something to say or something that you want to get out of you creatively, do it on YouTube. I really recommend it. And if you want some advice or some help in setting up your own channel, YouTube have some great resources. But please ask me a question in the comments section and I will definitely get back to you and help you out with it. There's some issues in the community, but it doesn't really affect the dance community on YouTube. So yeah, get out there and put your work out there. I'd love to see it. If you do have your own YouTube channel, let's get a share train going. Pop it in the comments section and I'll come and follow you. Yeah, but I'm actually adjudicating at the moment, just on a quick break up here in the bio box. I'm glad I'm in a bio box today because then I can shove tissues up my hay feverish nose and no one really sees me. Yeah, so next week I'll be loading up my vlog, adjudicator vlog from Warrnambool and from today here at Energy Dance Competition. Oh, sorry, it's been a long week. But again, thank you so much for helping me reach this first milestone and hope you'll be with me for lots more milestones. See ya.